Welcome to TP's Talk, discussing the life matters.
Good morning, one and all. I wish you a good day. We all wish to win, but few only could win. In studies, games, even in life. And if we try to study the winner, we can find a common factors with them, that they have the power to control their mind. The real competition is not with outside factors, but within us. How many of us are ready to bat against the ball bowled by our mind? Or bowl against internal batsman who hits the boundaries? If you can, you become the live winner, not a match winner or series winner. So here, TP Stock prepare a practice net, and I welcome you all to that net to part of third episode of Who Can Beat Me. For us, advice is a white ball and criticism is no ball. So if you can find and bet accordingly, you will get runs on that ball as well as an additional runs on that ball. So here we will study what is the area we should know to control our mind. The first and foremost point to control your mind is identify you. You should know what you are, what is your capacity. Because if you wanted to become a batsman and practice for bowling, not possible. And same vice versa. So you have to identify what you wanted to become, the real batsman or bowler or all-rounder, no problem. But accordingly, you have to shape your target. Second point is, don't target to win others' target, but win self-target. Normally what we will do, he hit 50, so I had to hit century. What will happen? Even you cannot reach to that person's score. So here, that will make us disappointment also. So we have to decide to improve ourselves in our play, where we have finished last in play. So here at least we can improve ourselves. So we have to target the target which we already fixed for us, not by others. Okay. And third point is the present mindfulness. Sharpen your organs, your eyes, nose, ears, everything. If you are seeing to target a thing, until otherwise the outside factors, outside surrounding things are not controlled by yourself. Where you have to control yourself, you can control your mind by closing outside factors with you. That's the third point. Fourth point is focus on positive and deal negative. Normally people, what they are doing, actually focus on negative. What may happen? Always we go for the failure reasons. But instead of that, we always think the things in positive. Then we can focus on that positive matter, and if anything happen negative, definitely we can diagnose it and we can deal with that. The fifth point is don't procrastinate. That is the main thing. The best example for that, nothing but snoozing the alarm. If you snooze your alarm, finish, you are out, you are bowled. So if you want to wake up 7 o'clock, you put your alarm 7:15, no problem. Because if you make it alarm ring 7 o'clock and snooze it and go for sleep, second sleep, definitely that sleep will go. I used to tell all the people, even my daughters, don't snooze. So every time, whenever we wanted to do something, don't stop, don't procrastinate. Go ahead. Whether you fail or success, that is after that. Don't delay anything. What you do today, do it today. Don't delay anything. Do today and today's work now. And sixth point is expect pro and anti comments. Don't expect always pro comment only, because even from inside, outside. So whenever you are doing something, there will be positive and negative comments from inside and outside. So always think that you will get positive and negative comment, but you stick on what is your choice. And seventh, strengthen your thoughts and avoid the trigger thoughts, because sometimes we are doing something, trigger thoughts are coming inside. So it will desp you, it will trouble you. So don't go for that. Always whatever you think to do, strengthen it with your capacity of knowledge, with the capacity of input, whatever it is. Okay, so go for like that. And the main point is determine your choice. Don't depend on anything. Don't depend on anything. If you decide a choice, you determine on it and work on it. For that, practice, hard work, everything will come after. So you have to be determine your choice and do regular meditation. Everything, until otherwise our health is not fit for doing things, definitely we will be the failure. So meditation, exercise is the compulsory things to do the things in a well manner. So strengthen your mind, control your mind. Meditation is very important. And 10th point is analyze your success and failure. You have to study. If you succeed and failed, what is the reason for it? So next step, if you failed first, you can succeed. And if you succeed, you will not fail in the next step. So this is the few points which I narrated you for controlling your mind. Definitely, I am sure that it is not an explained matter. I told you just a point wise. You try to analyze according to your way. So all this point will be work out for you and you can control your mind. All the best. Thank you very much.
Dear viewers, if you like this channel, please share maximum to your contacts. Please subscribe and press bell to get notifications on every upload. Thank you for your support.